3 out of 30. Every day we're going to be doing a new Christmas craft here on this channel that will make a great Christmas gift.
Today we're going to be making this beautiful 3D piano Christmas ornament. I got the pattern for this craft directly from the Perler Beads website, but I'll also put it on the screen now so that you can take a screenshot of it. To fuse your beads together, you're just going to use a hot iron, and you're going to use it for about 10 to 15 seconds on each side, just until the beads start to fuse together. Once all of your pieces are ready to go, you're going to want to put your legs together and then put them into your bottom piece. I wanted my legs to be extra strong, so I removed some perler beads on the middle slice of the piano, just enough that the legs could go through the second layer. In the end, I found that step to be a little unnecessary. The next step I took to secure the legs was putting some hot glue on them. I then pushed the glue flat using a piece of wax paper. If you're following the original design, you will then want to glue on your middle piece. Because pianos open to one side, I think it would be smart for us to put our string on that side. It will look totally natural that that part of the piano is open just a little more than the other side. I glued my string down using that same wax paper technique that I used on the legs. Then for the final step, I just glued on our last piece. This piano turned out ridiculously adorable.